Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with another lash video. I recently tried out another set of lashes that I found on Amazon, so I figured I would share them with you. I actually looked up the Flutter Habit lashes. I think it was the, I'm not sure, I think it was the Flirt, if I'm not mistaken. And these popped up. They're called Cuckoo do-it-yourself eyelash extensions. You get 5 pairs in this box for $12, and they're actually really pretty. I've already used a set, but I'll show you what they look like here. Let's see. So pretty, fluffy. Sun shining in the light in the window over here. They kind of do that cat eye look where they're shorter on the inner corner and longer on the outer corner, and they actually look really natural. So today I'm going to show you how I put these ones on, and I'm actually going to use the Lashify Glue. I think this is the Whisper Light. That's what it is. Yeah, Whisper Light Flexible Bond lash glue. I've been loving this one lately because I actually bought the tool to dry the glue properly and to get them to stay longer, and I've been having success with this. This lasts about a week. If I feel like wearing them a week, if not, then I take them off. Really simple. So let's get started. I'm gonna remove a set from here. When you remove them, you really want to try and grab the band area. You don't want to grab the lashes. I'll see what I can do with my tweezers. I have long nails, so it makes it hard. And I only do one eye at a time to remove. And I don't move it from the location it's at so that I don't mix up the lengths. So I'm just going to remove it, and I'm going to place it down. Place it down right where, but it's loose now. I'm going to do that with this eye. So with this set, the way you're looking at it is, if you are looking at it, the eye that I'm taking off right now would be this eye. Because you would want it to follow the eye that, if you get what I mean. It's hard to explain what I'm trying to say here. Okay. It has 5 pieces per eye. It depends on the size of your eye, how many you'll need. I have big round eyes, so I need all 5 of them. I'm trying to do this without breaking any of them. Now, my last video, I did another set from Amazon, and some people were saying they're super fragile. I feel like all of these are fragile because you're literally dealing with a thin band that you don't want it to be seen when you're wearing it. You want it to look as natural as possible. So they will be fragile. Just an FYI. Okay, so the Whisper Light comes with 2 different bonds. There's going to be a clear side and there's going to be a black side. The black side is like a mascara brush. If you can see that. Let's see. It's a little mascara brush. And then the other side is a little like paintbrush kind of thing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the mascara one on, and I do both eyes at once because this one, it dries and it gets tacky, but it doesn't have enough time to dry completely, and you don't want a lot. Less is more in this case, because if you put too much, then it doesn't dry, and you want it to dry. So I'm going to do both eyes with this. And then I'm going to take my my little handy dandy blow tool, and I'm just gonna blow the eye that I want. Oh, wrong eye, this eye. I'm gonna blow the eye that I want to do first. Try and get it a little tacky. Okay. So now I'm gonna start with the clear. Now this one, I literally take it and I put it on the whole lash. It gives that extra security that you need. I just poke myself in the eye. I think it works best. And again, little goes a long way. So you're gonna just, you know, dry that too. This one goes on white, but it dries cleared. So you won't see the white when it's your lashes are on. Okay. So now I'm gonna start on the outer corner. I always do, and I work my way to the inner corner. So now I'm taking the longest piece and I'm placing it right at the end, and you don't want it touching your waterline. The nice thing with this Lashify Whisper Light is it's made for beginners, so it doesn't dry super fast that you don't have time to maneuver your lashes. So that's one. I put it on, get it where I want it, and then I push it into place. Now I'm going to go for the second one. And if you have to, you can lift your eyelid so you can see the other band. And you line them up. And then you place and you push. So that's two. I'm going to put my third piece. Lift my eyelid, line it up, let go, push it in place. It's really, once you get the hang of it, this is so easy to do. And you guys, it saves you so much money as opposed to going to get your lashes done every couple weeks. I used to get them done, and I felt like even after getting a fill, they weren't the same as when you first get your set done. Oh, that one's not on right. Let me get closer to the mirror. And the nice thing is, if it's not on right, you can take it right back off and put it back. There we go. Oh, I'm having a really hard time with this one. I'm going to put a little more glue. I don't think I put enough glue in that one spot. The nice thing with this glue is it's like very precise, so you're not messing around with, like my first video I made with the eyelashes, like I used I think it was the Flutter Habit, right? Yeah, I used the Flutter Habit glue, and it was very loose and liquidy. It lasts a long time, but it's hard to work with. This is a little more precise, a little more easy to put on. There we go. There. Okay. So I have two more pieces to put on. last piece. And there is the first eye. I find it looks very natural, very soft looking, but it still gives you that pretty cat eye look. And I always do a little squeeze at the end to make sure it really sticks to my lashes. Now I have a sealer that I use sometimes, not all the time, but I'm okay with how long these can last me. Like I feel like at least 3-4 days is long enough for me. I like to take them off, rub my eyes, and all that. So depending on what you want to do, I'm trying to think of the price of this. I think it was $25, if I'm not mistaken, but it lasts forever. I mean, $25 for a glue as opposed to going to get a fill, which costs a lot more than $25 depending on your area, how much you pay. So I'm going to move on to the next eye. Going to take all the lashes off. Having a little bit more of a difficult time with this one. I just broke one. Let's try this way. I'm going to remove it and then I'll be right back. Okay, took me a minute, but I got it back. I got them removed from the package. One of them I kind of ripped a little, but we'll work with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some more of the white or the clear, whatever. It dries clear, so let's call it clear. Put a good amount because I want them to stay. So I'm going to go ahead with my tool. Okay, and you can normally like feel it getting tacky on your eye, like your other lashes will feel like they're sticking to it. You know it's ready by then, at that point. I'm gonna try. Just lost a piece of my other one. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. So this one's a tiny piece. I'm just going to go ahead and stick it on anyway, so I'm not missing that amount. And stick this one. Okay. So I salvaged it, right? It broke, but I still stuck the little piece there. You can't even tell. So here we go, piece number 2. I always have an eye that's easier to do. And that's typically my right eye because I'm right-handed, so I'm not working over my shoulder. Number 3. See how easy that is? Do you see how fast it goes and you're not laying on a bed for hours trying to get your lashes? Now, piece number 5. So there's number 5, and they're done. Simple as that. Now I'm going to go ahead and squeeze them into place now that they're where I want them to be. I don't know. I really like. I'm really happy they invented these because I always like around like certain times of the year I feel like, oh, I want to do some eyelashes, but I don't feel like going to have them done because honestly I hate appointments. I hate having appointments. I hate having a commitment like that because something always comes up and then you have to cancel your appointment or whatever. This way I like doing things at home in the comfort of my own home. And people will never know they're not. They look so real. They look like you've had them professionally done. In some cases, you can, like, I like a more bold. If I'm going to wear lashes, I want something that's going to look like I have long lashes. But some people like the more natural look, which is totally fine. All up to you. Whatever you decide, you choose. So I take my tool after. If you don't have one of these, you can use like something that gives you more air. You can go like this. Fan all the lashes. You just want a little bit more drying time for your lashes. They have a sealer, like I said, if you want to use that as well. You don't need to, it's not necessary. All you do is you rub it on like the base of the lashes so it like kind of seals it so it's like waterproofing it. So when you take a shower or whatever, the water is not affecting your lashes. I don't suggest like rubbing your eyes, but if you want to clean them, you can use like non-oily solution to clean them up. But really, like, you can brush them. I have a little spoolie brush that I use to clean, like, to untangle them if they get tangled, but most times they last really well. So, like I said, these are $12 on Amazon. I can put the link down below for you guys. So I have 3 more pairs. I think that's worth $12 for 5 pairs. I think it's worth it. They're soft. And let's see. Doesn't really say too much about them on here. It just says no kinks, soft fiber, comfortable wear, no burden, clear band, flat base, and knot free. And then it tells you how to put them on, which I just showed you how to do. But yeah, guys, this stuff, you can find a lot of nice lashes on Amazon for a way cheaper price than what you can find on other websites. And if you like to wear them often, you wouldn't want a cheaper way of purchasing them. So if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below and I do my best to answer your questions. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.